Buongiorno a tutti, sono Massimo Capra and I'm in the kitchen of Capras Kitchen in Mississauga. And my cameraman just walked into something in the back of him. Don't fall in the garbage, okay? Please. All right, now we are in the kitchen of Capras Kitchen and I'm working on some recipes for the summer. So I have a great little salad that I actually ate somewhere else in Florida. I enjoyed it immensely. I can tell you that it was made with apples, cheese, a little lemon, a little lime, and olive oil. And it was the most delicious, refreshing salad I've ever had. So I'm here to make it for you. We start off right away with green apples, beautiful green apples. These are called Granny Smith. The reason I'm using these because of the crunch and the sour notes that they have. So they have a beautiful, intense sour flavor, which is amazing for this salad. I would not use a super sweet apple for it. Absolutely not. And Gruyere cheese. Perfect Gruyere cheese. Me and cheese are very good friends. The other thing you need here is mandolin. I'm using this style mandolin. You can use any mandolin you want. You can do it by hand if you like. It's absolutely okay. I am not going to showcase my ability with a knife because I don't care for you to know. I don't care for you to know. This is what you use at home because it's quick, easy, and simple. Apples, make sure they're washed. Put them always in the same direction. Make sure you get down to almost the core. If you go slow, you get all out of shape. But if you go fast, then you can control it better. You might lose a couple of fingers by the time you finish learning it, but that's okay, they regrow. If you cut off little at the time, they'll regrow, trust me. Okay, apples done. Let's go with the cheese. Same mandolin. Now the cheese is a different story. You gotta go a little gentle because it drags and it's really difficult. So put as much as you like. It should be about 60% apple, 40% cheese. I think that's enough. Now, while it's dry, we mix it all up. Break it, break it, break it. Look at that. Put it inside a bowl. Believe me, this is a super tasty salad. I love it. I had it a couple of times, and when I asked what were the ingredients, they laughed at me, so oh yeah, okay, I'll figure it out on my own. I guess I did. Very easy, very tasty. Now, salt right away, a little bit, not too much. Pepper, freshly ground, and lemon juicer. Boom, a nice amount so the apples will not change color. If you do the apples beforehand, make sure you put plenty of lemon and water in it. Otherwise, you're gonna end up with a very brown discolored apple. So a little bit, nice amount of lemon juice. It's gonna have a nice tang, okay? Now, let me put my gloves on because you need to mix it by hand. You can't really mix this with a fork and spoon and all that. It's very difficult. So I don't like to touch dressed salads with my hands because of the acidity in the lemon and or vinegar. It's very bad for your nails and for your cuticles. So don't do it. And then you just mix it up. Hey, this is almost it's 4 ingredients less than a Waldorf salad, so you know it's got to be decent. Put it on the plate, just like that. Done. Look at that salad. That is an easy salad to do. And we're gonna crack some nuts. That's my specialty, by the way. I'm always breaking nuts. Just don't get too fancy. That are looking at me strange because I said I like to crack nuts. But I am the master nutcracker of this business. Yeah, that's your salad. Look at that. All right, the salad is done. Let's do it. Let's taste it. We got nuts, we got apples, we got cheese. It's like an appetizer and a salad and a full meal all in one. Oh. How many times can you see that I have nuts coming out of my mouth? Oh. But this is absolutely delicious and super easy. So if you have guests coming to your house and you don't know what to do, just grab an apple, a little bit of cheese, and then olive oil, salt and pepper you have, lemon juice, and you're done. Okay, enjoy.